Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you how to delete transactions on your bank statement when they've come through as duplications. Now, Xero is a very smart tool and typically will notice that these transactions are duplicates and therefore will delete them automatically for you. However, if it hasn't done this, this is what you do. So you can access your bank account, again, however you would like, whether that is through your accounting and bank tab or from the dashboard. So I'm going to enter mine from the dashboard screen. And then we want to go into the bank statements tab. And this is where I can have a look at the transactions that are duplicates. I identified this by doing a reconciliation to the total of my balance in Xero versus the PDF document of my bank statement. It's really important to do that check, possibly once a month, maybe less regular. It depends how busy your bank account is. If you only have 5 transactions a month, maybe once a month is a bit too much, but I like to do it once a month because then I know I've definitely checked it. So I know that I have some duplicate transactions. So what I can do is have a look and scroll down at where I can see some duplicates. So I can definitely see them straight away. We have this 1,500 and the same value and the same date and the same contact. And I know I did not receive this 1,500 twice from this same location. So this is a duplicate. So what we want to do is we need to click on one of them and use this tick box function to select it, and we will delete this transaction. I also have a couple more though, so we'll just go and get those first. So again, I can see that I've had this majestic contract in, that value's come through at 450, and again, the same date from the same person, 450. So again, I know that's a duplication. In this instance, though, one has a bit more of a reference than the other. So I'm going to delete the one with the less reference, just because this might be helpful for me in the future. So again, I'm going to use the select box and choose that one. And I also have this £12. And as you can see, they're not always going to be right next to each other. If you have multiple transactions for the same day, they might not be one after the other. So it's really useful, again, to do this check regularly to make sure your balance totals your bank statement so that you can identify things like this. Because £12 is not a break the bank situation and you might not spot it straight away. But if this happens quite regularly, then it can really make a difference. So again, I'm going to just choose that £12 and then we scroll to the top. And what we want to do is we want to click delete, and this will delete the transactions from our bank statements tab. Xero again will provide a warning button and just say, are you sure you want to do this? I know this is right to do, so I'm going to click delete. However, if I realise I should not have deleted that transaction, what I can do is I can restore it. As you can see, Xero has not removed it entirely. It is just, I guess, archived it, so you can still see it, but it won't come through from a value perspective. So if actually this transaction should not have been deleted, do similar thing, and I want to click that box. And then at the top, instead of the delete, we go to restore. And then there you have it. It's now restored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.